Okay, today is day number 2, and this is feast number 1. We have lettuce for our green, just lettuce by itself as far as the green. We have cucumbers, we have red onions, we have cherry tomatoes, we have walnuts, and we have hemp seeds. And I'm going to sprinkle a bit of white distilled vinegar, uh, avocado oil, salt and pepper, and maybe lemon juice on top of that salad. Also salt and pepper. We have 4 eggs, pasture raised organic grass fed. And we have here avocado with purple onions, salt, pepper, lime juice, and cilantro. And again, this is meal number 1 and day number 2. My weight is still the same as of today, 178 pounds, waist 33 inches, and body fat percentage about 13%. All right, check back with y'all on the next one. All right, so here we have meal 2 or feast 2, day 2. And this is 8 ounces of ground beef, 100 grams of charred onions, yellow onions, salt, pepper, of course, avocado oil. And we have, again, guacamole. This time it just has purple onions, lime juice, salt, pepper. And we'll be snacking on 30 grams of walnuts once we get done with this. Anyway, so that's it. Feast 2, day 2.